To work with Supabase, we have to first search in any browser supabase.com. Just click on that, supabase.com. This is the website for Supabase, which we can use for the database management system, and we can work with any, you can say any programming with it. This is a one type of alternative, like we have already worked with Firebase. So it is again a backend as a service. So just you have to click on start your project. So it will ask you for how you are going to go with the Supabase, whether you are working with continue with GitHub or you are working with a particular company. So you can go with the continue with SSO. But as a learner, we have to create our login, or that is your sign in. Either it is there if you have already created it, or you can just click on the sign up and for creating the account in Supabase. So just give your whatever the email ID you want to go with. So just take that and make sure your password with it to make, and it shows you which type of password it should be. So I'm giving a particular password to it. So in this way you have to go with. So remember that password, otherwise later on if you have to work with, then it will be really problem for you people. Then you have to click on the sign up here. That's it. This is the thing which you have to go with once you sign up. But in my case it says already I have a user with this email already exists. So what I have to go with, I have to go with the username and the password which I have already created. So in the next we will see how we are going to create, or how we are going to log in using the Supabase with your own email ID and the password which you have created already, right? So pause a little bit this video and make sure your account is there, and then return back. So after giving email ID and the password which you have created by creating the account, you will be here like in this screen. I have created already one organization where I have created some projects and all. You can create with a new organization. Here you have to click, and then you have to give your organization name. For example, if you are working with a company, so you just need to give the company name. Otherwise you can give any name, whatever you want to go with. So for example, I say my company, for example, this is a company name, and for which you want to create this company, or as this Supabase is working as like Firebase is there, it is used for backend as a service. So we can create the database over there, we can interact with them. So that's the reason you have to describe that what type of company it is. It's an educational, it's a startup, agency, company, or you want to go with any. So this time, because this is for learning purpose, you can just go with the personal, and then it will give you the plan for this, which plan you want to go with, whether you want to go with pricing, or if you are in a company you can just go with the pricing. So what exactly it is going to give me, for that you have to click on the learning more. So you will get this. If you are going with the free, so this will be the facilities it is giving you. 50,000 monthly active users you can make, and with $25 you can give this type of things. So as a learner, as a beginner, we have to go with the start for free. So we can just go with the start for free. That's it. This is one thing which you can go with. Just click here, or you can just close this window and just take the cursor back and just select this free 0 month. Then click on the create organization. Automatically you will see the name my company will be there, and there will be the name for your company, and after that you can create your own tables, schemas, whatever you want to go with the database and all. So this is my company name. Now this is my email ID, whatever you can give with the project name. So for example, the project name you can go with customer management, or whatever you want to go with. So customer project or something like that you can go with. Then you have to mention the password here. You can mention the password yourself, but if you want it, Supabase will just generate the password for you. So you just click on the generate password here. Automatically it will generate, and for future purpose you just need to copy that and paste it somewhere else, so that it will be for your future that database is generated now. Otherwise you can give your own password right here, because if you are able to see, we will not be able to see anywhere here. There is no icon or something like that. But if you click on the copy and you paste it somewhere, it will automatically show you the alphabets or the digit what they have used for database generation. So then is the region, which region is nearest to you. So generally I put Asia Pacific, or you can just go with the other regions where if you want to go with. So you can just take recommended, what is the recommended for you, so you can just go with that, and that's it. So I'm just putting this as it is. So now you don't have to go with the security options and advanced configuration as a beginner. So just try to create new project here, not to waste the time. Just click on the create new project, and automatically within a second you will get a one beautiful dashboard over it, and it will show you your project name, how many tables you have created, how many functions you have created, replicas, and all the information related. This is a beautiful UI they have given us in Supabase. This is a SQL editor where you can make the queries and where you can make the queries for related, creating the tables, creating the schemas, creating the databases and all. There is a table editor also which is inbuilt, like drag and drop thing. So you just have to mention what is the table name, what is the rows, how many columns and all. It will automatically give you the table over there. But today's lecture was concentrating on how we can make the connection, or how we can set up the Supabase, where we can make the tables, where we can make the databases, where we can make the schemas and all in future. So in this way, you have to set up your Supabase and just start making any query. You can just click on the SQL editor. So you must have use any other MySQL or SQL or Oracle in any of the database. So you just have to type like you were typing the query over there. You can type the same query here again. But there are lots and lots of things over for the developer here. For as a backend, we can generate the APIs. All the things are there, and in coming sessions we will cover that also. So this is all about what Supabase is. Supabase is a backend as a service, like Firebase was there, but it has more features than the Firebase, and it's an alternative to that. Yes, definitely you should go for Supabase as a backend as a service when you have to work with the projects like with React or any other applications over there with the Node.js and Express. So that's it for today's session, and hope you like this video. If you really like the video, please put thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.